welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you one powerful website
जा पूछ के आ
tool FK. First open where you can access all kind of AI tools in one place. You can create AI images, generate videos from text, convert images into prompt, remove backgrounds and much more. Let's quickly look at this tool one by one. First, image to video. You can try any image into a video with simple AI processing. AI image generator. Just type your idea and it will create images for you. AI text to video generator. You can create videos directly from text without editing. Image to prompts. Upload any image and it will generate the exact prompt used to create it. Background remover. Remove the background from any image instantly with one click. Free image recognition. This tool can detect object and details inside your image. So as you can see this website, you everything in one place, simple, fast and perfect for beginners. If you found this helpful, and do not forget like, share and subscribe. Its development बस इतनी काफ़ी है।
बुरा लगा